Hey guys, I'm here in an apartment doing a small renovation. A whole bunch of things to fix here, and it's nighttime and it's dark. That's why the lighting's so crap. Anyways, one of the things I have to do is fix this door. This door hits. So I have this tool, and it's the Knuckle Bender by FastCap. And I've never used it before. I've seen it used on the internet, and I thought this was a great candidate for this. So from what I understand, you take this tool is, oh, you can't see, hang on, putting some light futzing around here. It's got a unique shape in here to grab the knuckle, I guess that's what they call it, Knuckle Bender, on the hinge. And I understand there's two ways to use it. One way is you just use it with the pin in place and you tighten it up and then you give it a bend. I'm going to try bending it a little bit more, and I'm going to actually go down and try bending the second knuckle as well. The second and the third one. Go back to the first one. Doesn't hit anymore. That's simple. That sure turned a real pain job into a real simple job really quickly. This little doohickey here is for pounding out the pins. Dun dun dun. Even though this Japanese pin, they don't come out. So that's the Knuckle Bender by FastCap. Worth the 50 bucks that I had to pay to get it here in Japan. I think it's only about 20 bucks in the States, but man, that turned a half-hour long job into a 5-minute job, even videoing it. Anyways, that's a real short vlog for you today. Take care. See ya!